Welcome to the channel. It must have been very attractive for manufacturers to make many different lenses with an incredible number of brand names. Another brand that is completely unknown to me. It will be a rebrand of something. Vivitar is mentioned somewhere. Sharpness can be achieved with this lens, but it is not all very comfortable. It is that there is a macro mode that makes up for something. The lens is very slow and has a long-short focusing distance. I don't like this lens, and it ends up in the collection so as not to be used again soon.